Have you ever wanted an exquisite home that seamlessly connects you with the urban nature? I have the perfect one for you. Hi, I'm Ryan from Urban Agents, and today is my honor to present the most luxurious development in District 15, the Nasim of the East. This development is designed by the world-renowned WOHA Architects. It has 56 units spread across 5 floors. Come, let me show you the unit. Coming out from your own dedicated private lift into the foyer area, this area exudes a feeling of warmth and comfort as it's decked with timber. Let me show you the rest of the home. Stepping into this lovely home, what greets this space would be the dining area. And this dining area can easily sit around 8 people. It's a perfect place for you to wine and dine with your family and friends. And what's behind me would be this magnificent living area. And what's so special about this living area? It can easily accommodate more than 14 people, so you can play host to fancy parties and special gatherings. Such a lovely home. What I really love about this balcony space is that it's very wide and expansive. And this space allows for you to rest and relax, to enjoy a nice cup of afternoon tea, take in the sounds of nature, and best of all, to have this beautiful landscape just one step away from your home. This sprawling, fully enclosed kitchen and yard are well proportioned and knit out with high-end Miele appliances, quartz worktop, exhaust fittings, and a Stygian automated indoor laundry system. There's also access to the service lift lobby. 3 further bedrooms are generous in size, with large windows, extensive storage, and swing doors that seamlessly integrate into the wall paneling to save space and look great. Each bedroom boasts an ensuite bathroom with simply exquisite finishes of textural stone basins and dull metal faucets. Stepping into this opulent master bedroom, what greets us will be seclusion, privacy, and a resort-style feel. And what I really love about this master bedroom will be the floor-to-ceiling glass windows. This provides us with a breathtaking view of the immaculate landscape. The great thing about this room, it gives us lots of space. We can easily accommodate a king-size bed and lots of space left over. Behind you will be the 10-panel walk-in wardrobe with soft close finishes with built-in dehumidifiers and lights. The master ensuite features his and her vanity basin, marble countertop, and a freestanding Maison Apaiseur stone bathtub. Meyer House is located in a coveted location in the east. It's minutes away to Katong and Joo Chiat, within 5 minutes away to the Singapore Sports Hub, within 10 minutes to Marina Bay and Gardens by the Bay, within 15 minutes to Changi Airport. Meyer House is near top primary schools such as Tanjong Katong Primary School, Kong Hwa School, top secondary schools such as Chung Cheng High School Main, Dunman High School, Tanjong Katong Girls School, and other top schools such as Singapore Management University and Canadian International School. Meyer House has great connectivity to the rest of the city, is connected to the rest of the city via the ECP. Within minutes, residents can also reach the MCE. This makes it very easy to get to the CBD, Central Business District. Expatriates working in finance or commerce might want to consider Meyer House as a living option. Meyer House is also near the upcoming Thomson East Coast Line, which is the Tanjong Rhu MRT station and the Katong Park MRT station. If you're looking for a luxurious home in the East, kindly call me now. I'm Ryan from Urban Agents, and if you enjoyed this video, kindly click subscribe now. See you at my next exclusive listing.